I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Dodge Durango taillights. Start by identifying whether one or both taillights are out. This initial step helps narrow down the potential problem. Next, locate your vehicle's fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard, and check the fuse specifically for the taillights. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Finally, remove the tail light assembly and visually inspect the bulb itself for any obvious damage. Once you've confirmed a faulty bulb, replacing it is straightforward. First, access the tail light assembly, which often involves removing a few screws or clips from the inside of the trunk or tailgate. Carefully twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Gently pull out the old bulb and insert the new one, making sure it's the correct wattage and type for your Dodge Durango. Then, reassemble everything. If a new bulb and fuse don't solve the problem, the issue might be electrical. Carefully inspect the wiring leading to the tail light assembly for any frayed wires, cuts, or corrosion. Corrosion on the bulb socket contacts can prevent proper electrical flow, so clean them thoroughly with a specialized electrical contact cleaner. You can also use a multimeter to test for approximately 12 volts of power at the socket. For persistent issues, you might need to consider more advanced solutions. Sometimes, the entire tail light assembly, including the circuit board, can fail and require replacement. Also, ensure that the tail light system has a good ground connection. A poor ground is a common cause of intermittent electrical problems. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keeping your tail lights in top shape is crucial for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.